This is the AI Newsflash for April 22nd, 11 a.m. UTC. First up, Anthropic is officially investigating an unauthorized access incident involving its most powerful unreleased model, Mythos. According to The Verge, a small Discord group accessed Mythos illicitly on April 7th, the same day the limited release was announced, and retained access for roughly 2 weeks. Official Mythos access was restricted to Project Glasswing partners, including NVIDIA, Google, AWS, Apple, and Microsoft. The intruders reportedly leveraged information from the recent Mercor data breach to pivot through a third-party vendor, and the group also accessed other unreleased Anthropic models. Because Mythos can autonomously discover and exploit zero-day vulnerabilities in every major operating system and web browser, the leak represents a serious global cybersecurity risk. Second, OpenAI has pledged up to $1.5 billion to a private equity-led enterprise AI joint venture. The commitment breaks down into a $500 million initial equity stake, plus a $1 billion follow-on option, with the venture valued at $10 billion and the funding round closing in early May. A consortium of TPG, Bain Capital, Advent International, Brookfield and Goanna Capital is contributing an additional $4 billion, with a minimum 17.5% annual return guaranteed over 5 years. The strategic goal is to overtake Anthropic in the enterprise AI race by rapidly deploying OpenAI technology across the PE firm's portfolio companies. Third, Pennsylvania has officially launched the Keystone AI and Quantum Factory today, April 22nd, uniting 7 major research universities. Participating institutions include Carnegie Mellon, Drexel, Lehigh, Penn State, Temple, the University of Pennsylvania, and the University of Pittsburgh, with Pittsburgh Supercomputing Center providing the core infrastructure. Target sectors span energy, manufacturing, agriculture, life sciences, AI, and robotics, with 3 pillars of world-class research, workforce development, and shared GPU and CPU computing. Deputy Secretary for Technology, Jen Gilberg, and Executive Director Bar von Osen are leading the effort, positioning the state to accelerate AI and quantum industrialization while federal regulation stalls. Fourth, Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg is reportedly building a photorealistic AI avatar of himself and testing it for employee communications. The avatar has been trained to reproduce Zuckerberg's mannerisms, speaking style, and gestures, with the CEO personally involved in evaluating the system. This is separate from Meta's CEO business support agent and represents an experiment in extending a leader's presence itself through artificial intelligence. As Meta continues massive investment in its superintelligence lab alongside cuts affecting roughly 15,000 employees, this AI clone experiment is drawing industry attention as a fundamental test of how corporate leadership may evolve. That's all for this AI Newsflash.